You are my story. Storyteller, will I sleep at night? Sing me a sweet, 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 sweet lullaby. I need to sleep tonight. Take me back.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kenneth Mugabi, the big man, Gaudem Sugar. He's in the building. Kenneth Mugabi, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Why did you move
abantu bembarara mugamba muti.
Yes. Tuja. Kenneth Mugabi is in the building. Go in a chinchone shokena kumanyaho ichibuzo chone shokena kumbuza iruke obasekwano za halia social media platforms zitezitazumena zumwe oteke ichibuzo chawe. The man is here buchimechona nako making sure we abasakubana kama Facebook TV West Nehinda, then halia ha X and kosa @TV West UG. What's the feeling what ya? Because unkabede kwao and updates so what to tell you ngachiraga obadde kweno like
no, I'm from Kabare.
Yeah.
Yes, I came and went to Kabare, then Nkomom went.
So how's the experience?
The experience is to tumble in a rainy season.
Yeah.
Which is okay, which is cool. However, if you're planning to make a concert in the rainy season, please don't.
Okay.
But I've loved the experience and I'm moving around Uganda.
Yes,
basically. I want to do a Ugandan tour to move.
Is it musical or adventurous?
Both.
Yeah.
We are trying out stuff, but at the moment we are moving music.
Okay.
It is Ugandan, which I call the Ugandan soul. Yes.
Okay, Kenneth Mugabi, abantu chimanyi wali abakula for the very first time.
Yes.
Ku TV West nsaba obanyonyolo bagambe who is Kenneth Mugabi?
Nkwegomba nakwezunga ddala tukyali amapeera n'entya maamawo kati nze nkwetegekedde nafunye n'akagato. TV West, please be my lover.
I love the introduction.
Thank you.
And Kenneth Mugabi, when do you start music journey yetandika etya?
Professionally?
You can still take us back, like the song said. Take us back.
I decided to do music when I decided to go to Makerere University, Bachelor of Arts in Music, Performing Arts and Film, what many call MDD.
MDD, yeah.
That's where I decided to go. And I decided to, like, if I'm to do music, I need to first study it.
Yeah.
So nengena musomero nensoma music.
So talent wabula n'ebitabo mu ebiri.
Yes, once I knew I had the talent, naino geno soma to understand what I have. Because I didn't give it to myself, God gave it to me, so I need to understand what it is.
Yeah.
So I went to school and I studied music, and everything I've been doing is music. In 2011, in 2016, I released my first album, Chibunomo album. In 2019, I released my second album. In 2019, I released my second album, which is Ugandan album, that had the song Kwegomba. In 2022, I released my third album, which is called People of the Land.
People of the Land. Yeah, at
the moment. Yes.
But how was the concert? Concert at Tambuleti?
It was one of a kind.
Yeah.
We didn't have sponsors, basically. The sponsors we had, they were all in kind.
Yeah.
But we managed to pull people, and people came. They had a lot of fun. They had a lot of fun. Most of the people who came to Serena that time, it was their first time. Most of them. Yeah. Most of them, it was their first time. It's hard to believe, but most of them, it was their first time.
Talking about the concert, was it your first concert?
No. I had my first concert in 2018. That was National Theatre. And the concert was called Strings of My Soul.
Yeah.
The second concert was I was releasing my second album, which is Ugandan, and that is 29th June 2019. So now, yes,
that means yes. Remembering your birthday, it was memorable for you.
Yeah, it was memorable. Yeah. So on the 24th of November 2023, now that was the first big concert in Serena. Yeah. So others would be like, that's a peak, but for me, I'm like, nah, that's the beginning. Now Ugandan tour is inevitable. After doing Serena, the Ugandan tour is inevitable.
So guno mwaka tulabayo Kenneth Mugabi nga ine kirala kyatuterawo oba you're gonna give it time?
At the moment we are moving slow. So twabademba twabadekabare twaseke Masaka now right now to Mbarara. And we are trying to see and survey and see what we can give our people of Mbarara. I've moved through Masaka to see what we can give.
Extras because you do have fans up country.
And you see, you cannot just do without doing a survey.
Yeah, sure.
At the moment, we are moving around and trying to understand the audience. How big is it? What if we are to I might come and take a car where people are going to 500. I think never 1,000. People are many. So we have to first come and understand the people, the survey. When you're not on ground, you will not understand.
True.
So here we are.
So Kenneth Mugabi, the kind of music you do, what's that genre?
I call it Ugandan soul.
You call it?
Yes. Yeah, I call it Ugandan soul. Because this is the kind of music that I'm not just going to, hey, listen to my music. No. I don't force people to listen to my music. Yeah. After doing the record, I release it and it finds its own people. Kwegomba found its own people. Nach found its own people. Sanyu found its own people. Muvubuka found its own people.
Sound or every song you release, what about audience?
Definitely.
Okay. Do you have any collabs?
Yeah, I have many collaborations. Videos. I have a collaboration People of the Land album with GNL Zamba. Yeah. I have a collaboration on Ugandan album with Lydian Babazi, Marina Ntume, Angela Karole, Yes. And I'm doing more. I'm doing more. I have several collaboration with artists that we haven't released.
And what does it take to have a collaboration with Kenneth Mugabi?
Vision. I buy more into vision than just doing business.
True.
Because I'm thinking, if we do that collaboration, shall we be able to perform it? And if we perform it, what are the energy levels? You might have twins of Kwelabis. You took up stage and I'm like, and which with the sub brand you, and so we need to be compatible and we need to sit and understand each other. If I have bigger strength, we have to make sure it's a win-win. If you have bigger strength, I make sure I come to your level to see how we can help each other out.
Do you ever get time nauliza ko music wa Western Uganda?
Well, in the ones I listen to, they are really not that common.
It's okay.
Ever heard of Kwela band?
Yeah, Kwela band.
Yes, I used to listen to the like September, Joke, like Kahiri music.
Yeah, Kahiri.
I listen to most of.
They actually have a movie. Yeah. From is a movie. Shout out to Kahiri.
I listen to Shaba music.
Yeah,
like
Shaba.
I listen. There's one.
You know what it is? Our boyina. You know.
Then it's
yeah, true.
Okay, Reggie is all over Kampala. But he's more. He tapped into more of the mainstream sound.
Yeah, true.
And more of this on another alternative sound, and it's something I'm creating new. Like,
how about your collab with Abobotelo Kuliza, Kahiri, Ashaba Music?
I have a collaboration with Kahiri, actually, surprisingly.
Back
in that, because Kahiri was my mentor when I was starting out.
Wow.
Oh yeah, he was mentor when I was starting out.
Kahiri is a big down. Anyways, Oina hit, you know, the song is played in bars.
Which one?
Abantu never yimba.
Natchez?
Sang.
Oh.
Same. Yeah.
I heard Natchez.
How does it feel okulabanti, you know, okolagana nabo with the film industry? Like an artist still working with the, you know, the film industry.
I began mostly in band and film. And I used to do a lot of scores with the film people, and I used to open for their movies, premiere. I've done a lot because in the beginning I wanted to do music for film. Yeah, I didn't want to be seen.
Soundtracks.
Yes, I didn't want to be seen. I didn't want to be seen. I used to have a lot of Nsonyi back in the day,
but now,
I'm used to it. Except the shaking before the stage, like shaking.
Yeah, sure.
But I used to do those things, and Masa, I be doing my own movies, so
okay. So in the side, you know Barumba.
She got getting that.
Anyways, neno twina yo abantu abayimba, like, you know, the kind of genre you do.
Yes.
Advice yo yinzo bawa cause abamu tebana bakuvayo oba okutuka ku level koli.
Advice yinzo bawa is one, they should go to school and basomeko. That's the first thing, because we wonye Barnabas Joseph Alinetwe, he's the one who produced and mastered my People of the Land album.
The whole of it?
Yes, the entire album. He's from the West. Like most of actually my musical influences, people I've worked with, people have mentored me, they're from the West. Yeah. And personally, I am from the East, Busoga. Yes.
Mugabe is above Busoga.
Mugabe linya lya Katonda Mugabe.
Yeah.
Yes, it's more of a dini name, like a religious name.
Babuza bati so babuzeka abantu afa from East.
Kodeyo.
Kodeyo oli abadda muchi? Kodeyo baba. Yes. All right. Okay, Kenneth Mugabe, let's talk about your latest release, akayimba ko akapya ko ina.
Well, the latest release is Gorgeous. However, it doesn't have a video yet.
Gorgeous ngeje mwaka wandikamu like
Gorgeous.
Bosho chaichino ko utegezeri Gorgeous yo muluzo.
You see the Ugandan soul.
Yeah.
You have to Ugandanize the soul.
Yeah.
You see the way I sang Take Me Back. You get
Take Me Back. Yeah, you're right. Now I get it.
So it's a Ugandan soul. So Gorgeous is one of those songs that allow men to be vulnerable and say sorry. Gorgeous, please find it in your heart and forgive me.
Wow. So to look up it out.
Gorgeous, Okwose John, we were fine. Digging up the past. Gorgeous, Buanga Wasanga. Yeah, for we march. It's you and me and our God. Gorgeous, I accept all the mistakes I have made, but Gorgeous, I feel so good.
Chamanya bali mukulaba most of the ladies are like over to yingire TV to jiri. Because when kulaga no messages zenina. Ankulaga yokamu. Buffer. Anyways, what would you want to tell your fans bakulabe for the very first time? Now when you already about following, anything you have to tell your fans? Right?
I would just like to appreciate them for loving and following Kenneth Mugabe music, and I'm promising them that if you're in Barra, I'm coming soon.
Yes. Okay, anyways, Akatalekeka, anything you want to say, tell them where they can find your music?
Akatalekeka, you can find all the, I have, by the way, 3 albums, Chibunomo album, Ugandan album, People of the Land album, and the singles. They are all on YouTube. Kenneth Mugabe music. Stream the music. All of it is on YouTube. If you cannot access Spotify, if you cannot access Apple Music, these are on the rest of the. Just stream it. TikTok, Kenneth 2. TikTok is Kenneth 2 Mugabe.
Yeah.
Instagram at Kenneth Mugabe or Kenneth _Mugabe. Facebook is Kenneth Mugabe with a tick. X is at Kenneth Mugabe. Even Mobile Man, I'm there. Kenneth Mugabe. So everywhere, Kenneth Mugabe.
Kenneth Mugabe. I would definitely deliver that.
Well, I see it.
Okay. Anyways, Kenneth Mugabe. The ladies are asking here.
Yes.
Oyinayo mwagarwa kubanga music yo goyimba obola gechiravu
jali nesi jamu bagamba bajamu
bajamukola se
bayinza omutega wali ku supermarket.
Anyways, unukoke tatile Kenneth Mugabe is over. Ochali mu Western over
in for a few hours and then we shall be heading out.
Okay, nice. Kenneth Mugabe ngogwe miroko mbaseko ni streaming music ye hona music platforms zimwe zimwe the company ngwe chintu cyabasa kwanji batambura kurunji mnonga oyina management.
Yes.
And another thing, music wamwe abantu baloza nayo bakola di because chizibu nyo kulaba mbu Kenneth Mugabe bamutimbye wano like zino shows za bulijo. No, like what I mean,
yes, I hear you.
Za bulijo and abantu bayizoloza chiba discouraging anyo mose abakola music nga gokola akasente
mwekali. Why do you think I am now moving from Kampala now? From Msante mwezi. I didn't know I had a fan base in Kabale.
Not until you went there.
Not until I went there. I'm telling
you. Anyways, Kenneth Mugabe, thank you so much for passing by.
Thank you very much.
Mukuru changa lifane MC Kenneth Mugabe nsakwa ntugalukana na ugaba sente mukazano kitu aka TV West Quarter maja otakazanire kwa tesumi yawe minimum stake ne 12 MTN mobile money amwena Airtel money wasekwa no imata star 2 ishatumuna na star ishatu star 10 oteke hash okra televira jero wasekwa no taha mukazano kitu